How to replace a belt on a Snapper Z-Rider. Snapper makes a series of zero-turn riding lawnmowers, from the compact yard cruiser to the larger out-front Z-Rider Hydro Drive. Z-Riders are designed to tackle anything, from clearing undergrowth from harsh terrain, to providing a clean, evenly trimmed lawn. This unsophisticated machine is designed for ease of operation, low maintenance and extended service life. Thanks to the efficient discharge chute, the mower deck drive belt remains relatively clean. Consequently, the belt usually lasts from season to season. When it finally wears out, you can perform a field replacement without removing the mower deck. Things you'll need: pry bar, replacement Snapper mower deck belt. Drive the mower onto a flat surface, stop the engine and remove the ignition key. Remove the 4 large, round knurled nuts on top of the mower deck that hold the drive belt cover in place, by grasping them with your hand and twisting them off counterclockwise. Lift the cover off and set it aside. Take a snapshot of the belt and pulley configuration with a cell phone camera or digital camera to have a quick visual reference for the belt routing installation. Lever the spring-loaded idler pulley arm near the back of the housing toward the main drive pulley with a pry bar. Remove the worn belt from around the rest of the pulleys. Thread the replacement belt around the 3 mower blade drive pulleys, the engine drive pulley and the fixed idler pulley. Ensure that the V-shaped section of the belt fits into the matching V-shaped grooves on the drive pulleys and the flat back of the belt rests against the face of the fixed idler pulley. Lever the spring-loaded idler pulley arm toward the drive belt. Slip the back of the belt over the face of the idler pulley with your free hand and remove the pry bar. Rotate one of the pulleys by hand to ensure that the belt runs smoothly. Replace the drive belt cover and secure it with the 4 knurled nuts removed earlier to complete the installation.